Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to sign out of Chrome on your PC. It's a simple process that ensures the security of your browsing data. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Locate the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Start menu. Double-click it to open the browser. Step 2. At the top right corner, you'll find the profile icon. It's usually represented by your profile picture or initials. Click on this icon. Step 3. In the drop-down menu, select Sign Out. By doing this, you'll be logged out of your Chrome account. Signing out is crucial, especially if you're using a shared computer or a public device. It helps protect your personal information and browsing history. That's it. You've successfully signed out of Chrome on your PC. Remember to sign back in whenever you need to access your bookmarks, history, and other personalized settings. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you found it valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.